Hey you guys, so you know how much I love chia seed pudding for breakfast, so I'm going to make a batch and I'm going to add some pumpkin puree, so it's going to be awesome. But first, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons, you can do 2 to 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. I'm going to now add in my pumpkin puree. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons for each mason jar. This is just so delicious this time of year. Everything pumpkin, I will take it. So 2 tablespoons for each mason jar. And then I'm going to add in a cup of almond milk as well. So I'm going to pour that into each jar. I don't really use a measuring cup, so you can kind of just tell on the side of the mason jar. And I'm going to add in my pumpkin pie spice seasoning. This stuff is so great. So I'm going to add that in, and my chia seed pudding will be ready to go. I will shake these up and mix it all around and then store these in the refrigerator. And the chia seeds will expand overnight. And they are just, like I said, they're so good. They're so filling, so healthy, high in fiber, really great breakfast, and they're so good with the pumpkin pie spice in it as well. Hope you enjoy this one. Subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Bye-bye.